Hey guys, it's Jewelyn. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another rare philodendron unboxing. So I've been on a philodendron kick and I've been ordering them online because I don't come across them in person here in Southern California or wherever I go for my channel. So I hope you guys enjoy another unboxing. And this is actually going to be my second unboxing on this plant from a different place. So I'm really excited to see how well this is shipped, also what is the current status of the plant. Now I am really excited about this because I've been wanting to add more rare philodendrons in my collection, and I think when I got my squamiforum and I want to say the Florida Ghost, I don't know, someone in the comments said it wasn't a Florida Ghost. When I got those rare plant babies for my birthday plant haul, I was like, okay, I need to get more rare philodendrons in my collection. I love my Jose Bueno. That is a really cool philodendron. It's still doing good in my bathroom. Now, let's do this unboxing. It just arrived in the mail while I was filming my Tradescantia collective video, which is the video up before this. So if you haven't watched it, go ahead, check it out. I still have the Tradescantias ganged up outside that I do for the end of the video, so I need to put them all away. But I got this in the mail while I was filming, so I want to do the unboxing. It was raining today, so it's officially fall weather here for Southern California. So it looks like this person wrapped it up in newspaper, and here it is. I have another Thai Constellation. I am loving rare philodendron in my collection, and right now there is a big craze with variegated Monstera. I'm working towards getting more variegated philodendrons in my collection, but I have now my second Thai Constellation, which looks pretty good. Here's the root system. There is a little yellowing in the leaf here, and this one is actually bigger. Well, no, not really bigger, but there is more leaves, so I can't wait for it to unfurl. And you know what, since it is rooted up, let's go ahead and, if I have the same style of planter, which I probably do, or I'm gonna have to kick somebody out, I would like to go ahead and plant it up now, and then let's compare them side by side to see what they look like next to each other. I am loving all the splits in here, and as far as for like the condition of the leaves, besides that yellowing, it looks pretty good. I do see a little damage to the leaf right here. Let me go get a planter really quickly and plant this up. Which one do you like more, my original Thai Constellation or this second one? Let's go ahead and get a planter and then we'll compare. So I got the planter and I got the soil, so I'm gonna do an improv planting with Jewelyn, and I have my white planter, so I got the same one, and Ebby's waiting patiently. I was working all morning and then I filmed 2 long videos, so she really wants a walk. I have the EB Stone houseplant soil and I added some worm castings in it. So let's see, I want a little bit less soil. Okay, for now it's gonna live in this planter until further notice. And I waited over a week for this plant to get shipped out, so I'm glad I finally have it. I was worried I wasn't gonna get it before I go to Las Vegas in a few days, but it's here with me. I'm so excited. So these plants are going to be living in my bathroom, and from time to time I'll bring it out when I'm home so that it can get natural sunlighting outside. But I do have diffused lighting in my bathroom, so my plants love it in there. I guess this is the best I'm gonna get it for now. Okay. All right, so here it is, planted up. I can't wait to see what it looks like in the next few months before the year ends. I'll definitely give an update. For my rare plants, you will see them on my pot of fame at the end of each month if there is any new growth. So I like to give you guys updates on my rare plant babies. So I brought out my other Thai Constellation that I did unboxing with, and I want to compare them side by side. So I never really do comparisons when it comes to unboxings or haul videos, but I want to go ahead and do it for the Thai Constellations just because I recently got them in the mail just days apart from each other, and they came from separate places. So I'm looking forward to see how well they do. Which one do you like the most? They kind of look the same. I mean, this has 2 small unsplit leaves and 3 leaves with splits, and then these have like, well, 1.5 leaves with a split, 1 without, and then 1 baby coming through. So they look pretty similar though. I love them both equally. So sound off in the comments down below if you have the Thai Constellation, and stay tuned because I am looking to invest in the variegated elbows. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Stay tuned for more rare philodendrons, variegated, hopefully, unboxing videos in the future. I'm slowly growing my philodendron collection, and I love aroids, I love rare philodendrons, and anything variegated. So I hope this inspires you. I'm looking forward to growing my collection and sharing with you the progress. If you're new, welcome to the channel. Subscribe. I do daily uploads on this channel at 5 a.m. I am close to 600 videos. Thank you guys so much for supporting and hanging out with me. I'll see you guys tomorrow. You can find more on my blog at ILOVEJEWELYN.blogspot.com. Until next time, aloha from my Thai Constellation here in Santa Monica, California. Bye!